Innovation is the driving power of progress, especially in education. And at a California Community College, we don't wait for change. We bring about change by ensuring our instructional methods support our students every step of the way, helping to shape how our students learn. We encourage all our educators to embrace new, maybe even unconventional teaching methods and to integrate technology and hands-on learning into their curriculum. Holistic environments like ours ensure our students get the best learning experience possible. Your ideas, they're not just welcomed, they're celebrated, because here, you're at the forefront of shaping the future of education in California. And as California goes, so goes the rest of our nation.
What I like about the California Community College system is the way we teach and support our students. The diverse backgrounds, representations, experiences they have, but also the opportunity to affect change and change systemic inequalities, whether that be in my role counseling students one-on-one, leading programming, or looking at policy and regulations in our academic senate. Given the background and the many different work sectors I've worked in, I don't think I have been challenged or rewarded in the same way, and felt like I could make an immediate impact to see and to support students and to change policies and affect that change day to day and see those tangible results. You can't get that anywhere else.
I'm a first generation Hmong community college student, and I really decided to go to the community college because growing up as the first generation, my parents didn't know the process of college. I didn't really know what was out there. Financially, that wasn't an option for me to go to like a university or out of state. So community college was what was available, and I decided to take that route. There was so much resources I didn't know was available. I graduated, I didn't have any college debt, so that was like just one less stress for me. And obviously what I got certificate or my AA in, that was nursing. So I was able to build a full successful career in that and graduate with no debt. And the program itself, it's just so valuable.